Hey, let's talk about boundaries today. This may look a little silly, but I think it's brilliant. And I've got to give some credit to a brilliant preschool, pre-K teacher in the state of Massachusetts who said, I wonder if we just put suspenders on hula hoops and we could teach little kids about boundaries. And I thought, wow, that's really not too far off. So I'm going to, share that with you today in part of this video. So let's say you want to teach little kids about boundaries. Now the hard part is we don't want to scare them by saying, get away from each other or you're too close to him, and then they're going to go, whoa, what's going to happen to me? I'm going to get sick. And they're already doing a really good job coming back to school under the circumstances that we've had to provide. So let's figure out some fun ways. So love this hula hoop idea. I also had a gym teacher who once used these to, when kids had to go back to their own space and learn where to sit, it was perfect. They could kind of put it on the floor and be in their station. He also used it as a place where if you had to take a little time out, a little vacation station, you kind of went and sat in a hoop. So you kind of could get in your own space and figure out where you were in space. So for littles, our high school kids would have a ball with this, but I'm afraid we get too many repercussions of behavior just over the hula hoop, so never mind that. So for the littles, this could be a lot of fun. The other things we should think about is how do we teach our littles about boundaries, again, without frightening them over everything that's going on in the world, but giving them actual concrete ways of learning how to do it. Another brilliant idea. Now this may look a little silly, but this is like your basic rectangle laundry basket. Think about circle time when you come back to school from virtual to hybrid, face-to-face, and you're face-to-face now, and you still want to do circle, but again, you got to have boundaries. And maybe, the hula hoop thing isn't going to work for circle time. So if you had all these rectangle laundry baskets, basically each kid is assigned to one, all right, and they're able to step into their laundry basket. Of course, the littles are going to fit in there a little bit better than I do. But think about it. This isn't a bad idea. You got something to lean on, so you're not having to sit crisscross applesauce, which is really uncomfortable. You got your own kind of wiggle seat. You can bounce against it, and it's your thing. It's your space. And then you would eliminate having to say, you're too close, back off. Because again, don't want to scare them, but we want to teach them boundaries. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.